Hey everyone, I'm here with Blaze Mentor, and today we're tackling a topic that's close to the hearts of many students in India, the IIT JEE Advanced exam. This exam is known for its rigor and the immense pressure it puts on aspirants. Think of it like this. You wouldn't run a marathon without proper training and preparation, right? Similarly, preparing for the IIT JEE Advanced requires not just academic prowess, but also a strong mental game. We're going to break down this challenge into manageable steps, equipping you with strategies to not just survive but thrive during this demanding period. Our goal is to provide you with the tools and techniques to navigate this challenge with confidence and emerge stronger on the other side. Before we dive into solutions, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room: the pressure. It's real, it's intense, but it's not insurmountable. The key is not to suppress it or let it overwhelm you, but to understand its source. Ask yourself, what specifically triggers my anxiety? Is it the fear of disappointing my parents, the sheer volume of the syllabus, the competition, or the thought of not making it? Once you've identified your triggers, you can start addressing them head-on. Remember, IIT JEE Advanced is challenging, but it's not designed to be impossible. Embrace the challenge, but do it strategically. Now that we've acknowledged and understood the pressure, let's talk about practical strategies to manage it effectively. Structured preparation is key. Break down the syllabus into smaller topics, allocate specific time slots for each subject, and include time for revision and breaks. Prioritize your tasks, identify your weaker areas, and dedicate more time to strengthening them. Consistency is key. Healthy habits are your secret weapons. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Nutrition is equally important. Fuel your body with nutritious foods, and avoid junk food and excessive caffeine. Physical activity, even a short walk, can reduce stress and improve your mood. These strategies will help you build a strong foundation for your IIT JEE Advanced journey. Let's delve deeper into some powerful mind and body techniques that can help you stay calm and focused amidst the pressure. Deep breathing is incredibly effective in moments of anxiety. Meditation and mindfulness can enhance your focus, reduce stress, and improve your emotional well-being. Yoga, with its combination of physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, is another fantastic tool for managing stress and improving focus. Regularly taking mock tests under simulated exam conditions will familiarize you with the format, time constraints, and types of questions you can expect. Analyze your performance thoroughly. Identify your strengths and weaknesses, and use this feedback to refine your study plan. These techniques will help you stay calm and focused during your preparation. Now let's talk about a crucial aspect of success: your mindset. Instead of obsessing over the result, shift your focus to the process. Concentrate on your efforts, your learning, and your improvement. Positive self-talk is another powerful tool. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are stepping stones to learning. Now, for some exam day strategies. The key is to stay calm and composed. Plan ahead. Prepare your admit card, stationery, and other essentials well in advance to avoid last-minute stress. Get a good night's sleep before the exam. It's crucial for optimal cognitive function. On the day of the exam, eat a healthy breakfast to keep your energy levels up. During the exam, if you encounter a difficult question, don't panic. Take a deep breath, move on to the next question, and come back to it later if time permits. As you embark on this challenging yet rewarding journey, remember that your mental and physical well-being are paramount. It's okay to take breaks, engage in activities you enjoy, and recharge your batteries. Believe in yourself and your hard work. You've got this. This information is intended for general guidance and informational purposes only, and does not constitute professional advice. Best of luck from Blaze Mentor and me. We're here to support you every step of the way.